Hi guys, I'm here to tell you some facts about sexual assault. In the general public 12 years and older, there is 433,648 people who experience sexual assault. And inmates have the next highest rate at 80,600. Children 11 years and younger have a rate of 60,000. Military has the lowest sexual assault rate, leading at 18,900. College students, there are approximately 42% of college students between the ages of 18 and 24 who experience sexual assault during their schooling. According to the National Sexual Violence Research Center, 1 in 5 women and 1 in 71 men experience sexual assault. There are so many different resources that are available for people who experience sexual assault, such as hotlines, support groups. There's even a texting app where you can get counseling. Thanks. Have a good one.